year. And 2012 promises to be a more exciting one. And thanks to the support of all of you here tonight, especially Mr. Joseph Kalaka. Thank you, Joseph, for this wonderful party you gave to us tonight. We will be moving on to greater heights. And to tell you more, is not only the figurehead, but the most beautiful person inside and out, whose passion has brought Miss World Philippines to an unprecedented height. And now, let's hear it from the lady herself, Nino. Corin, please.
Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Hello, my friends. Hello, friends and supporters and fans of Miss World Philippines. And now, more than just Miss World Philippines, Miss World. Especially because of the presence, the success, the victory, the achievement, the inspiration, the winning passion of our dear Gwendolyn Roy. First princess of the world.
Thank you so much. Super proud po ako na talaga yung nila. And sana po, passionate nila. Of course, si Joseph Kalata, na nagpapag-party dito din talaga. Of course po, yung family ko po, and lahat ng support sa akin talaga.
I want you to know that when Gwen first walked into the office, she was still not sure about joining Miss World Philippines. She walked in with her mom. So her mom and I, Manu and I were trying to convince her to join, to be a candidate for Miss World Philippines. And I said, we will take good care of you in Miss World Philippines. So go back home and then make your decision. And then how many days did it take you to decide?
I was convinced.
So are we happy that Gwen said yes to us? Because if she didn't say yes, we wouldn't have our first Miss World Philippines, and then we wouldn't have our first princess of Miss World for 2011. So let's give Gwen a big round of applause, because she has worked so hard for this, and it was always in her heart to be a beauty queen, but more than that, to conquer the world. Josh, thank you very much for being, Josh is more than just a sponsor, more than just a friend, more than just a supporter. He's already a member of the Miss World Philippines family. Let's give a big round of applause for Josh Kalaka. Here's to Gwendolyn Roy's success and victory and the honor she has brought our country and given us a lot of happiness. And also to Josh Kalaka for his success next year. Very big thing happening coming next year. And then the Miss World Philippines 2012, because Gwen will officially open it tonight.
The search is open.